In the past few months, you might have seen the growing tensions between India and China, which resulted in the recent Galwan Valley clashes. A thought must have crossed your mind as to why these clashes occurred and what is the history behind the conflict. So, we are here to tell you in the next few minutes about how it all started. Kindly watch the video till the end and please share and subscribe to our channel for more such stories impacting us.
So it all started way back in 1914 when the British India, the Republic of China and Tibet gathered in Shimla to negotiate Shimla Convention. The agenda was to determine the status of Tibet and effectively settle the borders between China and British India. McMahon Line was created and was agreed upon by the British India and Tibet. China never agreed to it as this would grant autonomy to Tibet. India still maintains McMahon Line, which is a 550-mile border.
In 1947, India became independent and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was sworn in as the first Prime Minister. In 1949, just after 2 years of India's independence, Chairman Mao founded People's Republic of China. In 1950, India became first non-social bloc country to establish diplomatic relationships with People's Republic of China.
1959, 14th Dalai Lama fled China and India granted asylum. The border dispute first flared up when India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru questioned the boundaries shown on official Chinese maps, prompting Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai to reply that his government did not accept the colonial frontier. In 1960, a meeting in New Delhi between Zhou Enlai and Nehru to address the boundary question ends in deadlock.
It was in year 1962 when the first war broke out between the two nations, which resulted in more than 1,000 Indian deaths, with 3,000 Indians being taken into custody. The Chinese military suffered fewer than 800 deaths. Chinese claimed many areas, passes and towns. Line of actual control was formed after this war. Chinese forces captured Tawang, an important cultural center for Tibetans in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The war came to an end after 1 month when China declared ceasefire and announced its withdrawal from the disputed area. India claimed that China is occupying certain territory in Jammu and Kashmir, while China claimed the whole of Arunachal Pradesh belongs to them.
Tensions rose again in 1967 along two mountain passes, Natula and Chola, that connected Sikkim, then a kingdom and the protectorate of India, and China's Tibet Autonomous Region. A scuffle broke out when our troops began laying barbed wire along what we recognized as the border. The scuffle soon escalated when Chinese military began firing artillery shells at the Indian army. The conflict that followed, more than 150 of our and 340 Chinese were killed. Both the countries had different and conflicting ideas about the location of the line of actual control. The fighting was the last time that troops on either side would be killed until the recent events.
In the year 1975, Indian and Chinese armies clashed at Tolungla, Tawang district of state of Arunachal Pradesh. 4 Indian soldiers were killed, but later it is to be described as an accident as 2 patrols losing their way into the fog. In 1976, diplomatic ties between India and China were re-established for the first time since the Indo-China War in 1962. In 1987, Indian military surprised Chinese military by conducting a training operation near the borders. The Chinese commanders responded by advancing towards what they considered the line of actual control. The situation was controlled as countries decided to de-escalate to avoid the war.
China and India reopened Nathula Pass, an ancient trade route which was once part of the Silk Route. This was a landmark event as the pass was closed since the Indo-China War in 1962. In 2009, China expressed strong dissatisfaction on the visit of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to Arunachal Pradesh. India responded by saying Arunachal Pradesh is an integral and inalienable part of India. 2013 was the year when the Chinese set camp in Ladakh. The Indians soon followed, setting up their own base fewer than 1,000 feet away. Soon, both the sides agreed to dismantle the camps and situation de-escalated.
In 2017, the Chinese were building a road in the Doklam Plateau, which is controlled by our ally Bhutan. The plateau is close to our disputed areas with China. Indian troops carrying weapons and operating bulldozers confronted the Chinese with the intention of destroying the road. A standoff ensued. Soldiers threw rocks at each other and troops from both the sides suffered injuries. Soon, the countries agreed to withdraw from the area and China stopped construction on the road.
Standoff this year was the deadliest in 45 years. Violent clashes happened between Indian and Chinese patrols near Ladakh's Pangong Tso Lake. Scores of soldiers from both the sides were injured in the skirmish involving 250 men. 20 Indian soldiers attained martyrdom in the clash.
Hope you guys found the video knowledgeable. Please make sure to share this video with your friends and family. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye.